time.
It was sitting here that took us off.
Nice going.
Where's Max?
Easy, Lois. It'll be all right.
Are you all right, Jim?
I just got shot.
That's Superman wonderful.
You're talking to the wrong fellow.
I guess you're right. Well, you saved my life.
Again.
Yes, okay.
Here, Inspector Henderson. She's a little shaky. Make sure she gets home all right. Oh, and Lois, you know what they say when you save a person's life.
Check, Superman.
Hey, Superman.
Yes,
You know, she really loves you.
yes,
Well, don't take it for granted, alright? You're a lucky guy.
I know.
Can you call me a hero?